When you book a cruise, it feels like everything is included. Unlimited food, free shows, endless fun. But here's the truth. Cruise lines are masters of psychology, using hidden tricks and subtle manipulations to make you spend more than you ever imagined. Today, we'll pull back the curtain on 10 sneaky ways cruise ships drain your wallet, without you even realizing. Stay tuned until the end, because the last secret explains how you can fight back. Number 1. The all-inclusive illusion. The phrase all-inclusive is a powerful trap. Yes, your cabin, meals, and entertainment are included, but many essentials aren't. Bottled water? Extra. Specialty coffee? Extra. Fancy dining? Definitely extra. This creates a subtle upsell system. Once on board, you start realizing how many things cost more, and suddenly, your all-inclusive vacation isn't so inclusive. Number 2. The drink packages trick. Cruise lines push unlimited drink packages hard. They sound like a bargain, but here's the catch. You'd need to drink 6 to 8 cocktails a day just to break even. Most passengers never do, but they buy the package anyway, because no one wants to be the one paying $12 per drink. It's a clever psychology trick. Fear of missing out. Number 3. The casino at sea. Casinos are placed strategically in the busiest parts of the ship, right where passengers walk by daily. Bright lights, no clocks, no windows. Designed to keep you gambling. And since you're in international waters, regulations are looser, meaning higher house advantage. Many passengers don't even realize how much they've lost until their cruise card bill arrives. Number 4. Shore excursion markups. Sure, you can explore ports on your own for cheap, but the cruise line pushes their official excursions, often at double or triple the price of local tours. They sell them as safer and guaranteed return to the ship, and because no one wants to risk being left behind, thousands happily overpay. Number 5. The shopping trap. Ever notice the duty-free shopping events and one-day sales on board? They're carefully timed during sea days when passengers are bored and restless. Most items are overpriced compared to what you'd find on land, but clever announcements like last chance sale and exclusive deals create urgency, making people buy things they don't even need. Number 6. The spa and wellness illusion. Spas on board are beautiful but ridiculously expensive. A massage that costs $70 on land might cost $200 at sea. And here's the kicker. Treatments often end with a sales pitch for overpriced beauty products. Passengers pay for the service, then leave with a bag full of products they didn't plan to buy. Number 7. The Wi-Fi monopoly. Think you'll scroll Instagram for free? Think again. Cruise Wi-Fi is slow, unreliable, and absurdly overpriced. But with no alternatives, passengers end up paying sometimes $20 to $30 a day just to stay connected. It's digital desperation, and cruise lines know you'll cave. Number 8. Photos you didn't ask for. From the moment you board, photographers chase you everywhere. At dinner, by the pool, on formal night, you're constantly being snapped. Later, you see your professional photos displayed at $20 to $30 each. The clever trick? Guilt. You feel bad walking away from a smiling crew member's effort, so you buy. Number 9. Specialty dining temptations. The main dining hall is free, but cruise ships design specialty restaurants to look more luxurious. They even downplay the buffet food a little, so you crave the upgrade. For $30 to $50 a person, you suddenly find yourself at the steakhouse, sushi bar, or Italian trattoria. It's a masterclass in upselling lifestyle. Number 10. The cruise card debt trap. Here's the most dangerous trick of all. On cruise ships, you never pay with cash. You swipe your cruise card, and everything goes onto a bill you don't see until the end. This invisible spending disconnects you from reality. Passengers spend hundreds, sometimes thousands, without realizing, until that final statement hits. It's the moment many describe as the shock at sea. So the next time you board a cruise, remember, you're not just a passenger. You're a carefully calculated customer in a floating money machine. But here's the good news. Knowing these tricks is the first step to beating them. And if you thought spending traps were shocking, just wait until you discover the hidden dangers of missing your cruise ship departure. Yes, one mistake on land, and you could be stranded with no way back. Click the next video to find out exactly what happens if you miss your cruise ship.